All right, everybody, it's that time of year. Time for the new models of buses to come in. We have the 2022 Thomas C2 with the Detroit DD5 engine. Inside, here we are. First ones are rolling in. We've already spec'd some of them out for the fleet. Already have those starting to be labeled. My favorite one is 2222 because it's so easy. I have two different ones here. They are both 2022 Thomas Saf-T-Liner C2's, ready to go, coming in fresh from the factory in North Carolina. Let's get to it. Here we go, walking around the side. This one here has hand-cooked tires on it. Usually when we get the hand cooks, they usually have some little differences to them compared to the ones that we get with the Michelins. So the one on my left here has Michelins on it. That's going to probably be a fleet, but it seems like when we get the hand cooks, those are for sale. Usually something's a little different. Also, the hand cooks, notice the side. It's all black up there, okay? The ones that we get with the Michelins. Now, this could just be how Thomas does things to know which one's which. I don't know. It could also be how we order them. But notice this one's yellow. The side frames are yellow on the Michelin tired one and black on the hand cooks. We have a ton of them rolling in like crazy, left and right. It's that time of year. It's the beginning of June. All the districts and companies are going to be wanting to get their hands on the newest technology and the newest equipment. Look at this one. This 2022, it has Mobile Eye in it right there. That's for your lane keep assist and also adaptive cruise control, I believe. All the details are inside in a little pamphlet. Look at this beautiful one here. That's nice. It's got your LED 8-ways up there. What else? You got those LED headlights on there. You like those? Very nice, very nice. You don't see too many of those anymore or ever come in. Look at the beautiful Alcoa rims on here with some nice Bridgestone tires. Very nice. Look how low that is with that air suspension done. Look, we even have a turn signal in the back. I'm not a fan of that, honestly, where that is. It looks a little old, but I do like it better than the Bluebird style that they had. I like this one. Very nice, also with the Detroit DD5 engine in there. We'll take a look at a couple of these. It is that time of year, like I said. 2022 models rolling in, ready to go. Let's check it out.